Have you ever heard of a dish Japanese men have loved for decades? It looks simple, almost plain, but the taste is gentle and deep, almost like a warm hug. That dish is Nikujaga, Japanese meat and potato stew. You can find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's start by cutting the vegetables: carrots, potatoes, onions, and snap peas. You can also use green beans instead of snap peas. Quick pause. I want you to feel confident using chopsticks. So here's a quick guide. Hold one chopstick like a pencil. Place the other one between your ring finger and middle finger to keep it steady. Hold them a bit higher, it looks more refined and gives you better control. Move the top chopstick like a pencil to pick up food. Once you get used to it, even small round foods like beans are easy to pick up. Hope this makes your meals a little more enjoyable. Now back to cooking. Cut the meat into bite-sized pieces. Today I'm using pork as an experiment, but traditionally, beef is more common. So I recommend trying it with beef. Next, Shirataki. It's a noodle made from konjac. Some people use it, some don't, so if you can find it, give it a try. Konjac is made from a plant, so everything in this dish except the meat is vegetables. That's one of the reasons Japanese food is often considered healthy. It's all about balance. I think it's those small daily choices that lead to a long life. If this channel can be part of your daily life, that would make me really happy. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to like the video. Now we let it simmer. For pork, add 2 teaspoons of cooking sake. For beef, no cooking sake is needed. I'm using snap peas today, but green beans work just as well. If you simmer them too long, they lose their color. So I cook them separately to keep that vibrant green. It may not look flashy, but it's warm, comforting, and full of gentle flavor. That's Nikujaga, true taste of home in Japan. Hope you give it a try. If you have leftovers, mash everything and turn it into croquettes. It's just as delicious. Wishing you good health and a joyful food life. I'm also working toward my dream of sharing Japanese cooking with the world. If you enjoyed this video, a like, comment, and subscription would really mean a lot to me.